Hey guys, on today's episode we're gonna make a keto ice cream cake, and it's gonna be by far the easiest freaking ice cream cake I've ever made. So if you want to see how it came out, then just keep on watching. If you're new to this channel, definitely consider subscribing. I love trying out new recipes every week, and they're always keto, and they're always going to tell you the truth about how I feel on certain recipes. So make sure to click that like button if you like shorter videos, or comment below and let me know if you prefer them to be longer. So the only time we're actually going to be baking is when we're actually making the crust. The crust was like super easy to make because it was just like pour all of these ingredients in, mix it up, smush it into the pan, and then bake it, and then let it cool down, and then just pour the ice cream all over it. It was super freaking easy. I did have to assemble the raspberries and the blueberries on top of it, but I forgot to record it, so just imagine me recording it. Cake was actually dedicated to one of my best managers I've ever had. You're gonna see him at the end of this video. You're gonna see his take as a non-keto person, and he'll go ahead and tell you what he thought. Also, I should mention that you can also make your own ice cream. You don't have to use store-bought one. I was just being super lazy at this point because, like, why not? Why wouldn't I want to be lazy? But you can also make your own. It would actually come out with less carbs. Halo Top does have a lot of carbs per serving, so if you want to be strict on the carbs, definitely make your own. But Halo Top was a very convenient, very satisfying, very delicious alternative, so just be aware of that. And that's it. That is by far the mother freaking easiest cake that's made out of ice cream, that's also keto, that I've ever made. It was delicious, and if you don't believe me, then wait till the end, and then you could get a second opinion and find out what others had to say about it. So try it.
There we go.
You like it?
I love it. Oh no.
Did it come through?
Clutch.
So my final question to you guys is, would you guys make this? Would you not make it? Why or why not? What do you want to see me make? Leave a comment below. I will reply back to you every single time. But yeah, tell me your thoughts.